Jeweler's saw blades. They can be very confusing. Let's look at these blades and see if we can figure out which one is best for your project. I'm Greenwood and welcome to my studio. Let's take a closer look at these blades today. Jewelry saw blades are an important part of your jewelry making tools. At first glance, they all look the same, but at a closer look there are dramatic differences. Take a look at this close-up view of 5 different saw blade sizes. Wow, it's hard to believe that we are looking at such a large difference when we see them here in real life. Why do we have different size blades? You are going to be sawing different gauges or thicknesses of metal, and you want to use the blade that will cut through the metal in the most clean and efficient way. Too large of a blade in thin metal will tear the metal and leave a rough edge. Too small of a blade will cut slowly and dull quickly. A rule of thumb is that you want 3 teeth of the blade to be touching the metal at all times. Okay, how do I know if the blade I'm using has the right amount of teeth? Jeweler's saw blades have a number system with the thickest and coarsest blade, number 10, going down to the thinnest and smoothest blade, 10-0. This gives the jeweler quite a few options for blades, but these kind of options can be overwhelming for the beginning students. To eliminate the guesswork, there are many saw blade charts online and from jewelry supply houses that will recommend the size of blade for the thickness of metal. This can be a help for the beginning student and the experienced jeweler alike. I like to keep things simple. Here's a chart with the most commonly used gauges of metal in jewelry making, along with the corresponding saw blade sizes. Start simple. You can always get more detailed later when you need to. We can talk about how one size of blade is better than the other until the cows come home. But it all boils down to the relationship between you, your saw frame, the gauge of metal, the type of sawing or piercing design, and the saw blade. There are no rules that you have to use a certain size of blade for a certain gauge of metal. What works best for you and your design is the right size to use. Many supply houses will offer variety packs of blades. Order yourself a pack and try the different sizes of blades on different gauges of metal to see what works best for you and your projects. Let me know your results and which blades work best for you. I hope this video has helped you move forward with your jewelry making skills. If you haven't seen my sawing and piercing video, go to my channel and take a look. It has many tips and tricks for successful sawing and piercing. If you haven't subscribed yet, please click below and ring the bell so you don't miss any videos that will help you increase your jewelry making skills. I appreciate any questions and comments and suggestions for new videos. I'm Greenwood. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.